Hello sisters, this is me sharing some chopped up white onion, green bell pepper, and red bell pepper tossed in avocado oil. And the scent of these vegetables mingled with the olive oil is amazing. It has that smell like fresh sub sandwiches. I'm going to be using this on top of some grilled chicken breasts. So I guess the meal for the greedy lady, healthy diet meals for today is grilled chicken breasts with the usual salad greens and all the other little knick-knack raw veggies that I have on my plate. I am feeling better, and hopefully I will soon be able to do other things that I would like to do while I'm on this journey, health journey. And y'all just keep me in your prayers, and I am keeping you in mind. All right, I'll be back. Making a mess with this pomegranate, trying to get these berries out. If they're called berries, I don't know if it's right because some of them have little seeds in them, but still delicious. I just want to use a few of them on my salad and freeze the rest. Just sharing. Be back. Okay, the completed meal for today: grilled chicken breast, hard-boiled egg set on top of avocado, grilled squash, tomato. I have about 4 tangerine slices, frozen tangerine slices, some blueberries, my favorite for every day, and cranberry. I have a salad with dark green leafy vegetables, tomato, radish, and for my croutons, I prepared chunks of cucumber. Sisters, I hope you guys are enjoying my healthier meals for my health, and I hope you guys are eating healthy, eating more healthier, and trying some salads. The heartier they are, the better. There's no it's nothing fattening or anything about this salad. It's all healthy. Just raw vegetables, roasted vegetables, and some roasted, chicken breasts. Now, I don't just only eat chicken and turkey. I also eat still beef and some pork, but it's going to be in moderation now, because I really don't like to eat a lot of meat. Like when I made those tacos yesterday, I only had like a tablespoon, something like a tablespoon of meat in each one, because I really don't like a lot of meat. And yeah, just wanted to share that. And so hope you guys are enjoying my little breakfast, lunch, and dinner meals. Feeling better eating this way. And I hope that I'm not talking too low where you can't hear me. Jenny, Jackie, the rest of you guys, Wet, Glow, Carol, Con, family, kids. My Kev, I see you checking out my salads. I love you, Kev. Love y'all. See you guys in a minute. Making a mess with this pomegranate, trying to get these berries out. if they're called berries. I don't know if it's right because some of them have little seeds in them, but still delicious. I just want to use a few of them on my salad and freeze the rest. Just sharing. Be back.